Hey, I'm maybe Burke, and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup. At the top of this year, I stopped getting acrylics. I had been getting acrylics pretty steadily for a while. I took a break when I was unemployed for a little bit, but my nails are really thin. My nails are really like dainty and fragile, and they never last if I don't have an acrylic on. But at the top of this year, I realized I get them styled so short at this point. I don't love when they're like super overgrown. And it was kind of superfluous for me to be doing acrylics and then styling them like just past where my fingertip ends. So decided to try basically everything else. I tried stopping using acrylics, and I first retired to just basic gel manicures, and they just simply don't last me maybe like 2 weeks if I'm lucky. But most of them, something chips or peels off within the first week that I have them on. And honestly, that's just not sustainable or like fun for me. I like to have my nails looking good in a consistent way. And so I did start with dip powder. I started trying to see if those would help or work better for me. And within 2 weeks, I was reaching for something and one completely popped off. Like it had been a press on nail, literally. It just completely popped off of my finger. And so then the rest of that week I spent picking at the rest of them. And they were all off, I think within like 3 weeks. Now, mind you, my acrylics have lasted me 4 weeks as a standard usually. And so for something to not even last 3 weeks was frustrating for me. I know it's like not a given that things are going to last that long, but as somebody who like reads pretty high maintenance, I actually prefer to be pretty low maintenance, and getting my nails done less frequently is actually a better idea for me. I then put on these press-ons because my nails were in good shape and I didn't want to have to put on a whole new full set. So I did press-ons for the weekend before I could go back to the salon, and I caved. I went straight back to acrylics because I know that that works for me. I know that those last for me. And actually I did the math, and saving money on like gel manicures doesn't actually work out when you have to get them more frequently. The math that I ran on it, I actually am only paying like, I think it was $20 per year more if I'm doing the acrylics because I don't get them as frequently.